make me a coffee. If you didn't get that, he won't make me a coffee. Empty biscuits. He's on a diet. Ooh, coffee. Hot coffee. So much sugar. What?
That's my coffee.
So much sugar. Calories, bro.
Not even that much sugar in there.
That's sweeter than my ex's. We won't go there. Because my ex is your mum.
What are you recording?
You